yard is blocked and we cannot pass straight up, guys. I've never seen the river come so.
Police here on coming or something. Nah, heard it.
Root out I ground.
Mango tree. No.
It is terrible, man. Everything popped down. My uncle also so. Terry. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to the family, and to all my loyal subscribers, thank you for joining me yet another day. I appreciate y'all and I appreciate all your support. So today, guys, I am taking a trip to Trelawny because I'm trying to get to my dad, but because the service is down, I cannot hear from him from the storm. So I decided to take a trip to Trelawny to find him, to see if he's okay and all of that. So this is us driving through Montego Bay. I really don't know the area, so my husband's nephew, sorry. My husband's nephew was taking us through Montego Bay because he knows the kind of like the inner parts of Montego Bay, like Rose Heights and those places. Yes, guys, we drive through all of them places there. Oh my God. So yes, guys, we drive through all the bad area them. And he knew them, so he was the one taking us through them. So this is us coming back through. This is the area that they put in the, what they call it, the new highway, the new road, the bypass or something like that. Yeah, so this is the area that they have it. So this road takes us back on the main road. So we came out of all the inner part of Montego Bay, and now we're going back to the main road. I don't remember what thing called right here, so, but I hear so the bypass day or the highway or whatever they call it. As you can see, the road they dig and stuff. They cut, I mean, and stuff. On both side, you can see it. Part there over there, so, and then you have part over the next side as well. But this is the road that brings you back to the main road. And this road I go cut you out through Blue Diamond and Witter Village. Yes, guys, so Witter Village is over the right hand side there. Yes, so that is where we are right now. Yeah, Witter Village.
Gas station there. Every gas station I see. You need drinks on the river there. You need drinks there.
Oh.
Back them to the don't go plan. Oh, the flank of the bus pipe in the road. Oh, don't go plan to see those. What do you want to know? Come on.
So as we all can see, Mobile has a lot of trees were dropped down and light posts, wires, and all of that. So they have a lot of debris on the ground as well. See some of the hotel gate tear down and stuff like that. So a lot of things go on in that storm, guys. Like this hurricane, I should say. A lot of stuff went on in this hurricane, and a lot of places have a lot of things to clean up afterwards. So yeah, it's a lot. And when we go through Trelawny, you guys will see that a lot of trees and stuff. Right, that first one don't look too bad though, guys, because the coconut tree is still standing. A coconut tree or a palm tree? One of them, they're still standing. I just don't wire them were gone on this side. Yeah, but here's another bad. The wire them kinda get messed up. Same way too. I decided to speed up this part a bit, guys, cause the video, I don't want the video to be too long, and I want to show you guys the area same way so you can see like how the storm has impacted this part of Montego Bay that we're going through. So yeah, I didn't want to cut it out, so I just speed it up a bit. But yeah, as we can see here, a lot of the trees, them brown. Guys, I don't know. Boy, I don't know. I don't know how the tree them so brown and look so dead. I don't know. But to be honest, right, that's a look nice. Then tree look nice compared to the ones when we see up Stratbogie top there. So when I go back to my bay, the whole of the hillside brown, 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 brown. Like when I use fertilizer and spray. The river comes straight up. Guys, from the time I grew up in Trelawny, I have never ever seen this river come up so near. Look at river high, guys. Look at the river, it even come up on the road, guys. So guys, the way to my dad is blocked and we cannot pass. Okay. The river comes straight up, guys. I've never seen the river come so close to land yet in my lifetime. So no say bad. My God. Can't pass. Do. You gotta wash.
Sorry, brother. We're going right behind the father house. Right behind the father house.
So guys, somebody told us that we can drive Clarkstone way, so we're gonna take a big detour, go all the way around to Clarkstone, back to Dwansville, and then go to Perth Town, guys.
Our man and build community, they see community them have high-rise building round the smaller house them. You see me? Yeah. But they say, over here, me and them say, with the whole road and so over there, so Barbie can look bad, man. Can chuck from house top to house top, man. You're going to have a TikTok reel. This is just stuff like this, I'm a farm for real. God no. I dream, my dreams. I'm still not done yet. We escape in our nearby bullshit. Me and police here run coming and something. Not heard it. Is it stuff in trend already? No, the end of the day have to come back. I'm going to see up the road as
a beer bush.
For a town, that head of we, man.
You there?
It would make you look good.
It would make it look pretty. It's a lot of greenery.
I never know where it's to Jamaica.
Exactly, me neither.
Brother, if this area looks, imagine how Senti looks and look how far it is. Senti has some bush. Brother, I'm not there too, you know?
That's what it feels like.
Wicked man when they cut them out and build. Road through them my place. Wicked man. But then again, they say watch it, I'll be a mountain there, watch it. Just watch it down and then put it up on the highway. Be a mountain and swampland. Up on hill over there. But I wouldn't mind when I have to go back that way.
Really?
I only for time and get to clean around some stick.
That a big old tree trunk that we see on the road.
Must one tree though.
That can't clear.
And I must one tree black up it.
And I will put a tree up on the riverside.
They must clear that tree there by now, man.
It big enough there?
The tree like then, then cut out one little chunk. You know how much hour we missing? We missing? We don't missing.
We don't miss
Where me back as we last? Why them push on me here like it? What's up there, man? I'll tour about something. I don't know.
Tree root out of ground.
Mango tree, no. Top the tree.
No.
Then tree I make one top side. Yeah. Top side the whole of them tree plant and them not get to go down the earth.
Oh.
Big house round there, man.
There, we over there so civilization there.
You mean sleep round there.
I'm funny enough in this. We drive first close enough?
Yeah, very
Alright,
close.
I'm back naturally almost I go right now.
Alright, yes, this is Bellevue.
Huh?
Yeah,
I'm
true.
I'll be a man for school, huh?
True.
You know, see you're bright. Welcome to Perth Town Top, guys.
Those fish per ton top.
Yeah. Yeah. This is my basic school, guys. See there? And that's where I used to go. And that's my primary school over there, so.
This is Shappy.
Shappy!
Yeah, see there? Just see the sign.
So my cousin and house pass again.
But it's a lot of them places.
Alright, man.
Mel, make you have a video?
Then I must.
Oh, true, when they true people place, they'll tell you watch the video.
Watch it.
I'm going to start video, they'll tell me watch the video.
So my cousin was pass again.
Now when the family men come, they must say they'll make them come.
Alright,
Don't want to go back.
yes, I'm
Don't they have to clear?
Yo!
Every time.
like
If I
forest.
go street, I'm going to pick you up at the river.
Sit down down my bar down there, wait for them. I walk, come down
Can pass this one? I'm posting in the road. I'm posting in the road, so. Oh, you can't pass it.
I said it, but yo, how
Yeah.
far them are cut up with you?
Exactly.
How far them are clear for you?
So I just see big tree left then, they don't man.
Me no know.
And them are clear from two end.
They don't man. I said it terrible.
Yes.
That man them are clear with things
Could they-
can pass.
It is terrible, man.
Everything packed down. See how this is something the concrete post that come out of this something there. Mine is creep up beside.
That they do yes.
Them boss it to Jacka man. I don't show next piece of it.
I see how my uncle house look at so. Well, him there on rock top.
Where?
Make it sound like you're not full of family member up there man.
Okay, so
About several
my,
house know why your family member house.
so my uncle house up there so. What? Terry?
Yeah, I close enough. So we can check.
I tell you something right on the
Tell
side.
them what, who don't want to go so?
Yeah.
Pick me up out of the main road.
So go on and talk walk.
Oh, you know me with it? I been on the
Tell a friend about my channel and hit that notification bell, touch all so you don't miss a video whenever I post. This is my hometown. This is where my sister is building her house, guys. So guys, my dad was not home. He went into the town from about 9 o'clock in the morning. So he went with one of my cousins. Two of my cousins. So we had to leave because you know we have a long journey back to Negril and stuff like that. But before we left, we said we wanted to go into Falmouth now to try and get something to eat. But as you can see, the road is so full of water, guys. Oh my god, the road full of water, and all the light post them, if you can see them properly, all of them lean. Could they up and down here right so it lean, the next one lean, the next one drop down, like all the light post them just damage, and it's just pure water you have to drive now. And then when we finally go through the water now, when we get to where the market is, as you can see right here, I think over here, so the market is, yes, see it there. The market mash up, guys, like it totally damaged. Mash up, all the people them stall them, mash up. And a pure water. But When we reached into the town, the places were closed because when we go, the pizza place closed off, KFC closed off, the Chinese restaurant closed off, everywhere closed off. So we couldn't find any food. But the place mash up, man. The place mash up. And a pure water, pure water. But yeah, thank you guys for watching because my phone ended up died. So I couldn't video anymore from here. So thank you guys for watching. I thank you so much for your support. And I pray that you continue to support me. Continue to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.